When did astronomy turn into a religion? Astronomy, the scientific study of celestial objects and phenomena, never officially turned into a religion. However, throughout history, many ancient civilizations integrated astronomical observations with their religious beliefs and practices. Here are some key points. 1. Ancient civilizations. In cultures such as those of the Egyptians, Babylonians, Mayans, and Aztecs, astronomy was deeply intertwined with religion. These societies used astronomical events to create calendars, predict seasons, and perform religious ceremonies. 2. Astrology, a closely related practice. Astrology emerged from early astronomical observations. Astrology is the belief that the positions and movements of celestial bodies can influence human events and natural phenomena. It was considered a science in many ancient cultures and often linked to religious practices. 3. Mythology and deities. Many ancient cultures personified celestial bodies as gods or mythological figures. For instance, in Greek and Roman mythology, planets were named after gods such as Jupiter, Mars, and Venus. 4. Religious structures. Many ancient religious structures, like the pyramids of Egypt, Stonehenge in England, and the temples of the Mayans, were aligned with astronomical phenomena, demonstrating the importance of the heavens in their religious and cultural life. 5. Modern context. Today, astronomy is strictly a scientific discipline, focused on the empirical study of the universe. It is distinct from astrology and religious practices, although some individuals and groups still blend the study of the cosmos with spiritual beliefs.